Here we have our fairly large milk frother slash hot chocolate maker slash milk warmer slash cold foam maker, if you prefer. All right, so here it is. This is the cup, and it comes loose. I don't have the frother in there right now. It's empty. Got water in there so that you can see inside, but you can see that it just kind of sits here. It sits loosely. There's no real way to fit it on tightly, but as long as it pushes this button on the base, it seems to work just fine. The frother bits are separate. There's a spindle that goes in, like that, and then the usual little frother, notice it says up, that goes on top, like that. If you're making hot chocolate, this goes on top as well, and it sits upside down like this, and the idea is to keep your hot chocolate from having too much foam. Why, I don't know. All right, settings. 4 settings. Cold foam, warmed milk, foamed warm milk, and hot chocolate. So you push the button, and that's warm, and I'll put it to froth. And there it goes. Obviously, it's not going to froth the water, but I wanted you to see how it works. All right, I'm going to pull the plug on it. A couple of quick notes. First, it's got 2 max settings, lower and higher. The lower one is for when you're making froth. The higher one is for when you're just heating milk. Note that this is exactly a measured cup of water. I made sure. So a measured cup of water is just about the max line for your froth. And as for the results, this is the heavy froth. And as you can see, it's very heavy duty froth. This is heated, warmed, heavy froth. The cold froth turns out about the same. So it does work. It works quite well. This is because I was curious. I went ahead and filled it to between those 2 lines and made froth anyway, just to see if it would overflow. It doesn't. It makes kind of a medium foam, which actually works pretty well. And there was a lot more of it than just this because I drank half of it. This is a 16-ounce cup, and this is more or less exactly what the 1 cup turned into. This was almost 2 of these, and this is a 12-ounce cup. So that's pretty much everything I can think of to say about it. It does work. It works well. It's slow. I will comment. The hot chocolate especially is quite slow, but it makes quite a bit of good foam.